Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What's the matter, Oo? Why are you crying?
Oh, why are you crying? What's the matter? Oh, oh, did you break it?
Ah, give Oo a hug. He knows that this is O's favourite toy. We can see he's very sad.
I didn't mean to break it. I'm so sorry. I know you feel sad, Oo, but I think it can be fixed. I will help you. We will all help you too. Who are we helping to do what?
Oo, I think you have something you need to tell all. Don't be afraid. Tell the truth.
My waka! I'm so sorry, all. I wanted to play with it, but I dropped it and it broke. It was an accident, all. It's okay, Oo. Don't be sad. We can fix this.
You can fix it, Tākaro Tribe. If you all work together, I'm sure you'll be able to fix it.
Those parts there. Tie that here. I think it's going to work. Yay! Good as new.
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. You worked together to fix it.
My waka is very special to me. And you're very special too, Oo.
Pāpā Rākau's calling. Off you go, Tākaro Tribe.
We'd better go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, wakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aure.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, Tui.
I'm happy to see you all. Listen, Tui is not happy. She went away this morning and has come home to find her nest has fallen out of the tree.
Oh, no! Oh, poor Tui. Did the wind blow the nest out of the tree?
Good guess, but there wasn't any wind this morning.
We should help Tui put her nest back in the tree. Ana!
You might need someone tall like Moa to help. Do you think you can find him?
Yes! Let's ask the forest to help. E te wao nui e hura nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki ka tāne mahita. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao marama. Haumi e hui e tai ki e. It's a fifth.
Your first clue. Off you go. Good luck, Tākaro Tribe.
Bye, Pāpā Rākau. Ka kite. Everyone, Moa is over there. And it looks like he's playing. Yes, E. Moa looks like he's playing hide and seek. Let's play.
Don't forget what Pāpā Rākau said. First, you need to help Tui.
Let's see what clue the forest gave us. What letters are in our kite,
Can you read what that says?
A, K, A, T, E, K, A. Ba, ka, ti, ka. Whakatika.
That's right, Tākaro Tribe. Whakatika, to fix.
How can we whakatika fix the nest? We'll never reach that high. But Moa can. You are right, E. Moa is tall. Let's ask him. Moa, stop! Stop! Moa, why are you crying? You can whisper to me, Moa. Please don't be sad.
Moa says that he made Tui's nest fall. He is so tall. He knocked Tui's nest out of the tree with his head. It was an accident.
An accident? Like my accident when I broke O's waka. Ana, and guess what, Moa? We can whakatika fix Tui's nest together. Can you pick up the nest and put it back, Moa?
Thank you, Moa. You've managed to whakatika fix Tui's nest.
Good work, Moa. You're so lucky to be so tall. And we are all lucky that together we can fix anything.
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. You found Moa and he managed to whakatika, fix Tui's nest.
Tui is happy now. His nest is back in place. Yay!
Now let's practice our counting. Let's count from 1 to 5. Time for you all to visit Kōkā.
What a busy day you've had, Tākaro Tribe.
Ana!
You managed to whakatika fix O's waka, didn't you, Oo?
Ana, we worked
Even though Moa was very embarrassed about knocking Tui's nest out of the tree, he managed to whakatika, fix things and put it back.
Moa felt much better after he fixed Tui's nest.
Shall we look at the things you did?
Ana!
U was playing with O's waka. Then Pāpā Rākau called to tell you that Tui's nest had been knocked out of the tree. The forest gave you a clue. Whakatika. Whakatika. To fix. He used his height to put the nest back in the tree. How do you all feel now, Tākaro Tribe?
We feel harikua! Happy!
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pōmarie. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Pōmarie!
Horoia tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pōmarie, e kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moea. Kia au tō moe, e pai ai o moe moea. E pai ai o moe moea.
Pōmarie! Good night!
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
Pāho.